It's a very unique princess. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very good. I think you have already read the title and the thumbnail. So today I'm going to do a haul, a Meesho jewelry haul. Like I have a very few, I mean not very few, much more than a few products. Show you one by one. It is going to be an anklet, neck pieces, ear pieces or finger rings. So keep watching this video. I think you're going to like it. So let's start the video. Firstly, I'm going to start with the bangles. I have a very few collection of bangles from Meesho, which is very affordable, like under budget. So firstly, I'm going to show you one of my favorite bangle, that is this bangle. This is their like a bracelet. You can see this. This is in the shade golden. It is multiple colors like silver, another color also yet available. So it somewhat look like this. It's a very unique yet rare pieces. I think every girl should have this, and this is mind blowing. I mean, this costed me around under 200 rupees. I will mention all the details and the prices in the screen as well as in the description box. I will tag all the products, so you must check them out from the description box. And this is one of my favorite products. You can wear it with any ethnic dresses, western dresses, anything. Like it will go with anything. So it's one of my favorite. It's the first product I have shown to you. This costed me around 180 to 84 rupees. I can't recall it properly, but it's somewhat like this, and I think you should buy both of them, the silver one and the golden one. Next up, yet another bracelet, which is, I have showed you one from golden color. It's the silver color. It's also the same as the first one. Like it will go with any ethnic pieces, just like western wears, anything. You can carry up with anything. See, this is going so cool with this, and this is also under budget. One thing I must tell, that both the products are not much heavy. Like you can wear it throughout the day, not feeling any heavy, nothing. It is very lightweight, like very lightweight. You can wear them all throughout the day. This piece costed me around 195 rupees, and let me tell you one thing, that the price can be a little up or down, but mostly it's on sale. Next product, I have some bangles. So this is the bangles I have from them. You can already see them. This is in the shade golden. It's also available in the shade silver, and I think these are one of the most unique things that is available on Meesho. It has different sizes. Like my size is something 2.8. It is 2.4, 2.3, many other sizes. You can go up to your size, and it's also very lightweight. Okay, the price of these bangles is somewhat around 130 rupees. I think you should definitely buy it for yourself. Yet I have another bangle. So this is the other one. This is what we can see every influencers are talking about. That is the most viral spiral bangle. I have in the shade or the color silver one. It is also available in the golden one. I am very good to buy this one, and you can see that this is in like this in a spiral form, and again it's a very lightweight thing. So this is somewhat looks like this. You can see how much pretty it looks on me, and I can bet it will look pretty on every girl like who love jewelry, so must buy from me. You should definitely try this. This bangle costed me around 150 to 155 rupees, I think. Okay, That's all for the bangles I have. Now let's jump to the neck pieces. Firstly, I am wearing a neck piece which is the most neck piece I wear in my most of the videos. This is firstly our anti-tarnish jewelry from the collection of Misho, and this is in the shape of heart. As you can see this is a heart shepherd and a very minimal jewelry, like you can wear it throughout the day. The tarnished jewelries are a bit higher on the price, so it costed me around 290 rupees. Next, I have another collection from the anti-tarnish jewelry. This is the piece, like you can see how pretty the pendant is. It's in the shade green and it kind of looks like a deep green. You can see how pretty this looks, like because of the pendant and the minimal aesthetics, it looks amazing. Okay, this chain costed me around 357 rupees. Okay, next up is the most aesthetic thing I have from is the one. This is a long chain like the stack one, and it came with a combo. Like they both came in, and you won't believe what is the price of them. It costed me around 135 rupees only. Like a combo of this, and also these are anti-tarnish jewelry, so you don't have to worry about oxidizing. As I told you, this is also the similar one, so I'm not wearing it off. Like this is a bit high, so you can see what it is. Like this has four layers, that has three layers, and this is four layers, and it's very lightweight. From the first one, it's very lightweight. One thing I'm not very sure about this is that it claims anti-tarnish, but I think this is slightly not, because I bought them 1.5 years back and it starts oxidizing. The first one was still good, it is just okay, but this one is kind of not good, and also the quality is something that is lacking. uh, I think so, because the hook is not so good. It can be lost anytime if we're not careful about it. So please be aware of the fact. Check them in the site. There are lots of options. You can buy any of them. Next is a very ethnic neck piece, which is a very like a heavy and beautiful one. Let me show it to you. It's in the silver jewelry category. I have uploaded a shorts, I think many years ago. So this is the necklace. If you're a fan of oxidized jewelry, you can definitely buy it. You can adjust it according to your need, like this. You can see how pretty is this. Like it can go with a top also. You can wear it in the with sari, with any ethnic pieces, with western dresses. It will also look pretty, like for a skirt and a top like this. It will look absolutely fine. And this neck piece costed me around 273 rupees, which is not very high side. You can buy it and try it once. If you like silver or oxidized jewelry, you can buy it. Okay, that's all for the neck pieces, and now let's go on to the finger rings. Like I have a lot of collection from Misho. Firstly, that's I have a very pretty collection. You can see this is a watch fingering. I know you will be amazed to see this, but yeah, it's actually a watch. Like you don't have to wear a watch when you are wearing this, and it's adjustable. You are definitely going to love this. You can see how pretty this looks, and I especially love it because it has a watch, like a real watch, and the design is also very beautiful. If you wear this, you don't have to worry about your hand because it will look a very full yet minimal, and it costed me around 188 rupees. So under 200, it's a very good fingering. Next up, I have a fingering from the silver jewelry collection. This is very unique. Like you can see, It is very cute and minimal yet very stylish. Yet another very beautiful finger ring, like I really loved it. You can see how pretty this looks, and also it's very lightweight. It costed me around 144 rupees and very affordable, like you can buy it anytime. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon beside it so that you don't miss any video from future. And if you like this video, then do like, comment and share it with your friends. And if you need any kind of links and tags or anything, you can drop your comment in the comment box. Okay, next I have a very pretty finger ring from the silver jewelry collection. It look like this. This is very pretty, like it has jhumkas in the bottom, you can see, and it is also very beautiful. Let's see how beautiful is this. It covers all your fingers and look very like beautiful. Okay, this piece costed me around 113 rupees. Next I have another finger ring from the silver jewelry collection, and this is this. Like you can see, this is two parts, like one, it can be worn in one finger or two fingers, something like this. You can see how pretty this looks. It has a chain in the middle, and this is basically two finger rings joined is like this. Also costed me around 185 rupees. Okay, that's all for the finger rings. I have a very few or minimal collection of hair accessories from Meesho. Like I am not very sure of them, but I have the most unique pieces of them. Firstly, I have this. You can see this is worn like this, like a princess. You can see how pretty this looks. I have worn it with one of my, salwar suit in a recent wedding. You can see the photo here, and it's very unique. It costed me around 127 rupees. Next, I have another hair accessory which is very cute, like a Korean thing. It's actually in the shade golden, I think. I don't know if you are judging the color or not, but let's see the pretty vibes of this. Like you can see how pretty this looks. This piece costed me around 123 rupees. That's all for the hair accessories. Now I will be coming up with the earrings. Firstly, I have this very pretty, Korean earrings, which is like in the shade cherry, and it's actually look like a cherry. You can see it. It's very pretty. I am definitely going to recommend you this. It costed me around 140 rupees. One thing I am going to show you, and I found it very unique about this earring, is that it opens up like this. You remove this wear part and the cherry part. Okay, nextly I have another very pretty earring. I don't know if you can see this. This is a very cute butterfly, and it has like a hoop to it, like a chain. You can wear it with this. Okay, let me tell you one thing, that this chain is adjustable and removable. That is, you can detach it from this butterfly earring, and you can wear only this cute one. This will also look pretty. Okay, next up, I have a very pretty yet unique trendy collection of earrings from Meesho, which is in their silver jewelry category, and this is this. Like this is not a ordinary jewelry. This is a silver jewelry. You can see how pretty this looks, and as I told you that this is similar to the previous one, this has costed me around 137. Next, if you are a Jhumka fan, then you must check it out, because I am having a very cute Jhumka with me. You can see how pretty this is. This is a mirror work in it and like a proper jhumka. Okay, this earring costed me around 173 rupees. Okay, in the last but not the least category I have is the anklet, and I have very pretty collection of anklet from Misho. It's one of the affordable things I have from them. So firstly, I have something in silver jewelry which comes in a very cute box. I think you can see it how pretty this looks. If you are an anklet fan, you can buy it. This anklet costed me around 145 rupees, which is very affordable. Now this is the other one. You will be jaw dropped to see the design. Like, it's one of my favorite anklet. It's mirror work along with this thing. I think Misho has a lot of chokers with his designs, but I saw many few anklets with very unique designs, and it is one of them and one of my favorite. This anklet costed me around 223 rupees. Okay, so the last product of this Misho jewelry haul will be this beautiful anklet. You can see how gorgeous it is. Like, it's a toe ring. It's a toe ring, and this is actually the anklet. It comes in a pair, obviously. This toe ring costed me around 214 rupees. So this is all the jewelries I have from Misho, and I have used it, which is in a very affordable category. And if you want to buy it, as I told you, check out description box. I have provided all the links along with the prices and tag them. You can obviously check it out from their app. That's all for today. If you love this video, then do like, comment and share with your friends and family, and obviously subscribe my channel if you haven't done it yet. And if you have already subscribed my channel, then a very thanks to you. Also, if you have any suggestions about what will be my next content and want to suggest any topic, you can write it in my comment box. I will definitely go through it. That's all for today. Bye bye, and I will see you in the next video.